大家估下而家我喺邊度先？而家咧我哋就係嚟尋星啦！而家我哋喺呢個星光大道啊，呢度啊，所以呢個 LA 嘅星光大道，你睇下呢度，哇，好多明星嘅痕跡，嗰啲手掌腳印喺晒度，仲有你睇下呢個邊個嚟㗎？大家睇下先呢度 ，Michael Jackson 啊，哇！呢個值錢啊呢個。當然，仲有好多，仲有我哋華人之光啊，成龍啦，仲有吳宇森、孔兆庚，全部都有我哋，哇，好勁啊！所以我哋華人係遍佈全世界嘅，所以你哋得閒都嚟睇下啦，好勁啊呢度，哇！
你家不让进是吧？
走了，咱俩就是。
你导游。
很想輕撫你，所以避開你，寧願用距離去令你好奇，迴避過眼神，先偷偷喘氣，吩咐手臂放在原地。傳聞浪漫太快，愛戀都走得快，才會遲遲未步向你，說一世愛護你。情太過洶湧像深海，而我卻會忍耐，但求來日你醒過來，這份情像翅膀打開，還沒有相擁別意外，神教會我等待，待情流像細水，才去承諾你，拿一生對換愛。很心急擁抱，所以在禱告，求甜蜜以前帶着你漫步，遊歷過旅途，等一天終老，生老病死一起細數。原來慢慢靠近，更珍惜這一吻。而我停留是為了你，要給予你護蔭。情太過洶湧像深海，而我卻會忍耐，但求來日你醒過來，這份情像翅膀打開，還沒有相擁別意外。神教會我等待，待情流像細水，才去承諾你，拿一生對換愛。能為愛戀學習安耐，情信記進心內。但求能學會倚靠神，愛被馴服過更精彩，連地老綻放亦不更改。時間永遠等待，等你情願那天才去承諾你，無止境那份愛。我用沉默叫醒愛情，你用期待做你反應。繼續行近，直至開始愛。
Hello， 大家好，我好高興今日可以嚟到美國三藩市呢度咁出名嘅呢個金門大橋呢度。我好感謝我哋嘅 team， 我哋嘅公司 Rand International 啦，因為我接觸呢個事業之後，我可以開展我嘅夢想。 我可以有一個重新嘅一個全新嘅生命，全新嘅一個體驗。所以我而家因為我哋嘅團隊 Shining Star， 我哋嘅領隊，我哋嘅團隊整到我可以嚟到呢個。即將我仲會去好多國家，係我嘅以前唔敢諗嘅，而家我係即將會去好多個直行啦。總之我希望可以招多啲我嘅一齊有希望有一個新嘅夢想嘅人，有一個重新開始嘅人。我歡迎你加入我哋嘅 Shining Star， 一齊奮鬥，一路上有我哋陪住你。唔該。
想訪問下你。你認為成功嘅3個點最重要嘅要素係咩？3個點點樣好似可以學你咁樣用半年時間就打到咁靚嘅呢個成績
？OK， 首先我又覺得係決心好重要，你一定要有一個決心，打開你嘅決心，我一定可以做到，而唔係猶豫，有決心。OK， 第二點我覺得係即係聽話照做，聽話照做。OK，so 我哋有咩建議俾你？你跟住我哋嘅方式行 ，OK， 一齊進步，一齊往前行。第三點我覺得好重要嘅就係每日進步，因為你每日進步，哪怕就係1%，就係一年就365%咗。我哋就一齊向住呢個3大嘅重點一齊前進，一齊進步 ，OK。如果你有你嘅夢想，你希望可以達成你嘅夢想，或者係你隱藏咗好耐嘅嗰啲熱情嘅話，我希望你哋可以揾我，因為你哋自己一個人係冇辦法可以達成你嘅夢想嘅話，加入我哋團隊啊！有咩事情可以揾我 call 俾我阿鵬，唔該。係，大家好，今日我係喺呢度參觀呢個美國嘅呢個大峽谷，就係 Grand Canyon 啦，世界7大奇觀之一。我今日好榮幸嚟到呢度，哇，真係好美好啊！真係想像唔到有咁靚嘅景色，可以萬物主造成咁嘅景色，真係想像唔到。我都冇諗到我會嚟到咁樣嘅地方，因為係全靠我呢個 Rand International 公司，佢俾過我達成我嘅夢想。因為我之前係冇諗過我可以一邊旅行一邊做生意一邊賺錢嘅，但而家我係向住我阿鵬望我嘅夢想，即係可以財務自由 （financial freedom） 同埋可以一邊旅行一邊去做我想做嘅嘢。所以我希望大家都有你哋有咁樣嘅興趣嘅人，又希望有你嘅理想，希望達成嘅話，希望可以環遊世界嘅話，我哋會陪住你，歡迎你加入我哋嘅團隊，耀星團隊 Shining Star， 你哋一定會揾我哋聯絡我哋嘅 ，OK？ 所以我嘅聯絡號碼喺呢度，我歡迎你哋加入啊！唔該晒，嚟參觀下啦。呢個郵遞州呢度啊，哇，風景好靚啊，風水靚啊，睇有山啦。嗱，呢度隔離就係我哋嘅廠啦。
地方喺度。
郵遞州就係我哋 Rand International 嘅工廠喺呢度隔離呢度啦。哦，睇下先，靚人靚景。所以我哋參觀工廠嘅個 Resveratrol 嘅製作過程啊，所以全部係入邊出產嘅。所以我哋嘅貨好充足又好即係好先進啊！所以你哋可以放心嘅食用。所以我哋而家。你就又去睇咩啊？睇我哋嘅 Resveratrol 嘅製作過程啦。啊，所以入邊嘅嗰個科技好高啊，好靚啊！所以你哋睇下呢個環境好靚啊！得，拜拜。
I'd say this is the most advanced age of human ability. We all want to be healthy, so we push our lives to the limit. And we track everything. Our steps, calories, grams, it's all there. But this is what life is like for your cells. Usually under attack, always on the defense. Because of poor nutrition, or the environment, or stress, your cells, the biological unit that determines your quality of life, continually battle the effects of free radical damage and a lack of healthy fats, which eventually leads to premature aging, cellular mutation, and inflammation. None of us want that. And if these go unattended long enough, things can get serious. So here's a true story. In 2005 and 2006, with the help of the University of Maryland, a group of doctors were treating a number of young terminal patients. These patients needed to build their immune systems in a short amount of time without having to consume large amounts of nutraceuticals. After exploring many options, these doctors found very high concentrations of nutrients in particular seeds. And from this discovery came the first seed-based formulation from Rain International. Rain combined specific seeds with other plant-based ingredients to create wellness products like these. The seed combinations are nutrient-specific, organic, non-GMO, cold-pressed for excellent quality, at the highest standards in manufacturing, and the mixture is uniquely bioavailable. Just ask these people.
That all sounds cool, right? But learn the facts for yourself.
An independent lab tested Rain's flagship product, Sol. Not just the ingredients used in Sol, the actual formulation that you receive in hand. They found Sol is 2.5 times more powerful at fighting off cell-damaging free radicals than any other supplement tested at Brunswick Labs. It also produced a 62% increase in the body's ability to prevent aging in your cells. 62%. That's a big deal. In a similar test, Rain's green product, Core, proved to be 8 times more effective than the USDA's top 20 fruits and vegetables at protecting against the highly reactive singlet oxygen, 3 times the antioxidant power, and 67% higher in proanthocyanidins.
Proantho what? That means it's way good for your immune system.
So here's the takeaway. The seed-based products from Rain slow down the clock for your cells, facilitate a strong immune system, and help neutralize free radical damage in a significant way. It's simple, convenient, and raw. No fillers, no fluff. It's just real, the way nature intended it. Because life can come at you hard. Unless, of course, you're fighting back. From Rain International, the original seed company. Click here to order Rain products with a money-back guarantee, or click here to learn more.